All right, 5 things you should do before you hire any contractor. The first one is do your research on social media and their website. It needs to be up to date, good photos. If they're active on social media, they're going to stand behind their work. The second thing is analyze how quickly you are going to be able to get an appointment. They came out to the site. What was the communication? Was there an appointment center? Was there somebody in an office? Number 3, what was the sales presentation? Did they come in? Did they take lots of photos? Did they take measurements? Did they have a checklist? The 4th thing is did that scope of work look like? Was it really detailed, explaining everything that was going to happen on that project? The 5th thing is you need to do that 3 times with 3 different contractors. It's key. They're going to be all different, and you're going to find the one that you're very comfortable with. So that's your 5. Thanks, guys.